Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Guard VSG75 Sandwich Maker. You can see from the box there's an illustration of what the sandwich maker looks like. This also comes with this sandwich maker comes with non-stick grill plates, cool touch handle and dual indication. We have some more information over here. Wattage is 750 watts, so this is a 750 watt sandwich maker, and it operates on 230 volts of AC current as well. That's all the information that we can gather from the box. Let's open it and show you what's inside. And there you go, this is what you find inside the box. This is a white colored sandwich maker. It's also pretty compact. It's much smaller than a lot of other sandwich makers. I'll come to it in a while. There's also a instruction manual and warranty guide from Guard. Everything that you want to know, all the different components, or safety instructions, operating instructions, do's and don'ts, also warranty terms and conditions are mentioned over here as well. Okay, there's also this particular chart that shows you that what wattage do you need for what kind of sandwiches. So basically 700 watt is for 2 slices. So this is basically good for 2 slices of sandwich at one given sitting. Now let's take a look at the sandwich maker in question. This is what it looks like. This is the white variant. This part is metallic. This part is also metallic. It's a fully metallic sandwich maker. The 2 rubber stops over here and the heating module, which is this thick, also acts as a support base. Not just that, there is also a pretty thick power cable with a 3-pin socket on one end, as you can see right over here. Now let's open this. Okay, one other thing, you can also see the heating filament at the back right over here. So let's take a look inside. To open it, you just have to lift the switch like this and you're good to go. And there you go, this is what the interior looks like. This is the heating grill. This is a ceramic coated heating grill. There's also non-stick heating grills. So the idea is that you put your sandwich bread slices inside with the ingredients, cover it up and lock it up, and now you're good to go. You're ready to start making your sandwich. Finally, there are 2 LED lights here. These are your dual indication for when your sandwich is ready, and also notice the Guard logo right over here. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Guard VSG75 Sandwich Maker. Thank you for watching.